Hi guys, here's a random item. I picked this up when I was out for a walk. So it's a kerb find, one of Doc Ink's favourites. He goes kerb shopping. It's obviously an electric bath time toy. Got a propeller on the back there, button there, which isn't doing anything at the moment. So I guess we need some batteries in there. Moose Toys Limited, France. Okay, let's see what batteries it needs. Oh, that doesn't want to come out. That one's coming loose, but the other one's tight. Looks like you can put a crosshead in there as well. It is a crosshead. Looks like you can put a flathead screwdriver in. Talk amongst yourselves while I waffle. Looks like you can put a flathead screwdriver in there. Let's try this one. Whoever did this up had strong wrist action. Either that or it's rusted. Okay. 1 AAA battery. Asda. We'll replace that with 1 AAA battery from Poundland. I washed it just now, that's where the water's coming from. Oh, well, there we go, looks like it works. Propeller's spinning. We better run some water and put it in. I think that I've done a teardown on something very similar. And I think because it's working at the moment, I might not do a teardown on it now. I think we'll just put it in the water and see if it works. If it works, I'll donate it to a charity shop. Right, kitchen sink full of water. Oh, lovely. I expect there's some child who's upset that they've lost that. That's lovely. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.